Getting in breaking news now of the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee asking her police to keep a tab on BSF activity in West Bengal. This is news just coming in. Mamata Banerjee, on the back of what happened in Nagaland, asking her police in districts that share borders with neighboring countries to keep a watch on activities of the BSF in the wake of the killing of 14 civilians in Nagaland by security forces. She also directed police to not allow the border security force to breach its earmarked jurisdiction and maintain that law and order is a state subject. Bisaka joining us on the phone line with more details of what Mamata Banerjee has said and why this could be a problem. Bisaka.
See that when Mamata Banerjee had a review meeting in Raiganj in North Dinajpur today, she said that there is a specific allegation against BSF that they do not consult with the state police and they go into their own and they pass the jurisdiction of the state police and they cross the jurisdiction basically, but they don't even consult with the state police. So they are entering the jurisdiction of the state without even notifying the state police. So it is the state police jurisdiction to see how they are infringing their territory. And here Mamata Banerjee said that this is not right. This is not right on behalf of the BSF. They should not infiltrate the jurisdiction they are set with. They are not entitled to infringe the particular area of state police. They have to stay within their own jurisdiction, and that is why the state police has to have some monitoring over there on the functioning of the BSF, as Mamata Banerjee said today in the review meeting. Niranjan.
Okay, thank you for that. That's Bisaka joining us. Mayuk is also joining us with more inputs. Mayuk, many political parties are trying to use what happened in Nagaland to sort of build this political narrative. Mamata Banerjee now asking her police to keep an eye on BSF. She's had several run-ins with the forces. How do you see the story play out?
Bengal Trinamool Congress is in the forefront in actually captivating this entire thing, and you know that a delegation was supposed to go to Nagaland to meet the family, the peace family of the people who died there, who were killed. And most importantly, Trinamool has raised this issue in Parliament also. They are in favor of abolishing the act and the security rules that are in force in the Nagaland, including AFPA. And most importantly, Mamata Banerjee today reacting means that the votes are coming from the level of party, and you know that in Bengal also there are several bordering districts, and here also there has been a tussle with border security force and the few leaders of Trinamool Congress. We have already seen that Udayan Guha, one of the Trinamool MLA, he said against BSF, and he was condemned by all the voters of Bengal, including several political figures also. And here today, Mamata Banerjee, she also directed police to not allow the border security force to breach earmarked jurisdiction. And you know that there's a huge controversy in Bengal also regarding the 50-kilometer jurisdiction increase of BSF, and Mamata Banerjee also said that the law and order is a state subject. And I quote the exact thing what Mamata Banerjee said. She said that I know there's a problem. BSF personnel enters a village and then we get complaints about harassment. They go to several places that are beyond their jurisdiction without informing the
Okay,
police.
thank you for that, Mayuk. Getting in some more breaking news now, Mayuk. Thank you very much.